Hello everyone. Do you remember when was the last time you kept on thinking and thinking about something and just couldn't get yourself to come out of these troublesome thoughts? Overthinking generally is associated with something that happened in the past or something in the future. It is generally problem oriented. It could have happened a few moments ago or a few years ago. It can be something very small, like someone said something to you and you couldn't defend yourself well, and now you're thinking of ways how you should have responded or reacted. Or if something like this happens in future, this is how I'm going to respond to it. And generally, this thought process is like a chain. More and more similar thoughts keep on coming. But at the end, it's not fun. Our mind cannot differentiate reality from our imagination. So it's going to create very real emotions, and we feel drained out and exhausted at the end of it. So how to stop this from happening? Here are 3 techniques that might help you. First technique, awareness and acceptance. Once you are aware that you are overthinking or having a negative pattern of thoughts, first accept yourself. Try not to judge or criticize yourself. Try not to create thoughts like, oh, I'm so foolish, I just keep overthinking. Or I can't stop overthinking, what's wrong with me? Criticizing or judging or blaming yourself is not gonna help. Just notice the thoughts as they come. Try to change it into something that helps. Ask yourself, are these thoughts holding me back? Are these thoughts solution oriented or helpful in any way? If the answer to this question is no, these thoughts are not helpful, then ask yourself, what would be a helpful thought? Or what could be a thought that can give me a solution to my problem? See, even if you are aware that this is overthinking and is harmful and you want to stop, your overthinking won't stop all of a sudden. Once you question your mind, the speed of your thoughts will reduce. And doing this on a daily basis will save you from overthinking, or at least from the negative pattern of thoughts. Here, you're not stopping your thoughts, you are redirecting them. Initially, your mind may resist and continue to think on the same subject. But if you do it a few times, you will be able to redirect them and channelize your thoughts towards solution. The second technique is to zoom out. Get a reality check. Separate yourself from the thoughts. Once we are overthinking, when we are in it, we can't really see that we are getting more stressed or worried. We feel like we are never gonna feel good again and feel like we are trapped in it. But if we get a reality check, is this thing gonna matter in the next 10 months, 10 weeks, 10 days even? Try zooming out. When you zoom out, you can see that your life is much bigger than the thing you are in right now. That there are plenty of other things, important things in your life. Even if the issue or the problem lasts for a few days, it's small and it's still temporary compared to your whole life. So a little shift in our perspective helps. The third technique helps me the most, mindfulness. Be present. Often when we are overthinking, feeling overwhelmed, it's mostly something about the past or something about the future. Either we are regretting the past or fearing the future. Aside from being in any immediate danger or physical pain or in the middle of something traumatic, pretty much any other situation when you find yourself overthinking, you are not in any actual danger or pain in the moment. You are okay. Remind yourself in this moment, I am okay. There are thoughts about the past and there are thoughts about the future. But right at this moment, I am okay. Most of us in this moment are actually fine. We are okay, if not good or comfortable. Let's revise the points once again. The first is to be aware and accept yourself. The second technique is to zoom out and get some perspective. And the third technique is mindfulness. I hope this video is useful. Let me know in the comments below. Thank you.